What's up, guys? Listen, I have been working really hard to get the old Ram up to what I need it to live up to the acronym that I've assigned to it as its name, BART, the Big Adventure Ram Truck. If you watch some of my videos, you know Chrissy doesn't like the name because it rhymes with fart, but we're going to roll with it, BART. Big Adventure Ram Truck. Somebody did tell me to change it to Big Ram Adventure Truck, which would be Brat. It just don't look like a Brat. It looks like a BART to me. But I want to tell you about one of the mods that I did to the truck that is the coolest setup for my lifestyle. And so I figured I would share it with you because a lot of you guys have the same lifestyle I've got. And that's this deck system. This thing right here is like, I mean, look, you just have these little drawers, and inside it, you've got these boxes that fit perfectly to carry all your stuff in. I've got a few loose things thrown in here, but these boxes are watertight because they got this gasket around them. So this box I have my tools in, pretty much anything I need to work on my kayaks or truck or trailer on the road. And then I've got a cable lock so I can run it through the scuppers of a kayak to lock it to my trailer if I happen to be leaving a trailer there. Got some Diatrex sin in here, got a knife, got a few other things. But that's really not what it's about. It's not about just the throwing the stuff in here that you need. What's really cool about this system is how these boxes work. Now, I've had this system before when I wrecked my truck. That was the only thing that survived. It was blown out of the truck, but because the insurance company had a wrecker pick it up and the truck was a total loss, I lost that deck system. So I reached out to the folks at DECKED. They hooked me up with a replacement system, which is fantastic. And then what worked out cool is I was getting my truck set up just about the time they came out with this color desert tan lid, and my truck was already going to be wrapped desert tan. I'd already ordered some accessories that were desert tan, so it worked out great. But what's perfect for this is it allows me to organize all my gear. So I've got one of these boxes with a bunch of Senkos and then creature baits, flipping and pitching stuff, and then my swim baits over here. That's my, right now, go-to stuff. But what it also allows me to do is stick a couple of other boxes in the back so you can carry that excess stuff. So when the things change, you've got this stuff with you. So what I've got in this box is I've got some of my beaver style baits, some of that Strike King, got a whole bunch of Z-Man, TRD, you know, that go-to stuff when the bite gets tough and you got to go for finesse. Got a couple of spare reels in here, got some of my Zoom horny toads and other plastics, flukes. Really, I've got my full season. So the way I'm going to set this system up, and if I go over to the other drawer, I'll just show you exactly how I got everything set up. But when I go over to the other drawer, let me just pop over there real quick and show y'all what I got going on here. When I go over to the other drawer, I've got one of the old blue tackle boxes because I only ordered one of these. And so I still got this one left. And what I've got in here is I've got all my kayak accessories. You know, basically any piece of hardware on my kayak that can come off or fail, nuts, bolts, screws. I've got a couple extra tourney tags in here for folks that I run into that may need one. And then wiring connectors, Sharpies. Again, everything that I need to fix, modify, or tweak something, I've got it in this box. And then, you know, behind that, I've got a couple more of the utility boxes. And it just allows me to keep everything organized and clean. But it's also got these really cool pockets in the corners. And these pockets pull double duty. I keep my little anchor ball in there from the bomb anchor. I've got my tow strap in here in case I need to tow somebody or snatch them out of a hole or get snatched out of a hole if I get a little bit too aggressive. And then what I also like is I keep spare straps up in the front corners that are a little bit harder to get to. This corner over here, actually I'll just show you. Let me throw this box back in here. Here's what's great about these. Throw the box in there, slide it, it locks. It's waterproof, it protects your stuff, it's clean, it's organized. And the deck holds up to 2,000 pounds, so you can just throw your stuff right on top of it. But then in this pocket right here, I've got all my straps, in case a buddy needs a strap, in case I need to strap down more kayaks. This deck system is the perfect complement to my lifestyle. It could be the perfect complement to your lifestyle, whether you hunt, fish, work construction, you do modifications. One of the boxes in the back is full of tools. I mean, honestly, it allows me to stay on the road, stay mobile, stay secure, but more importantly, the way that this thing works out great is I pop these boxes closed, everything's waterproof, the deck system itself is waterproof. But what else is pretty cool about this system for me is once I pop these in there. Now, you can buy these with a lock, but my tailgate locks. So when I put the tailgate up, lock my truck, my tailgate locks, my boxes are locked, everything's safe, everything's secure, perfect for my lifestyle. I think it'll be perfect for yours. So if you're looking to organize your gear, protect it, save time, be more efficient, carry more gear without having to sort through it. Takes one time to set it up. Once you got it set up, it's a system. I've got the other boxes set up for different tactics and techniques. Got them on the shelf in the garage. I back up, I switch the boxes out, and I'm ready to go. So if you're looking to take your gear organization to the next level, be more efficient on the road, secure your stuff, don't worry about it getting walked off by a two-legged thief, then yeah, check out the DECKED system. Made in the USA, somewhere in Ohio, I can't remember where. About the only thing this DECKED system can't do is keep you from getting coffee stains on your shirt, or get them out of your shirt if you do get them there. So again, if you're driving down a bumpy road, it might not keep you from getting coffee on your shirt, but it will keep your stuff from bouncing around in the back and ending up all over the place. So anyway, check out DECKED system from DECKED. I'll put the link in the description box.